Assalamu alaikum aspirants, welcome back to another video. As many of you may know कि कल यानी 12 अप्रैल 2026 को ADMOD का पेपर हुआ और उस पेपर का कंप्लीट और ऑथेंटिक सोल्यूशन मैं आपको आज की इस वीडियो में प्रोवाइड करने वाली हूँ। ठीक है, तो वीडियो को एंड तक लाजमी आपने देखना है और कोई भी चीज़ अगर समझ नहीं आती है तो कमेंट बॉक्स में मुझसे पूछ लेना है। सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम लेट्स डाइव इनटू इट। So, the very first one is bridge between Russia and Crimea is known as Kerch Strait Bridge. Economic Plan 2024 to 2029 is also known as Udan Pakistan. NCCIA established in which year? May 3, 2024. Which gas is used in refrigerator? It's tetrafluoroethene. NATO members? There are 32 countries which are member. COP in Sudan started by whom? General Abdul Fattah al-Burhan. Seimas is the parliament of Republic of Lithuania. Then synonym of acrid, it should be pungent. Samarkand is a city of Uzbekistan. Then Jallianwala Bagh incident took place in 13 April 1919. Basman Palace is residence of King of Jordan. Then B9 is the name of its folic acid. 50th session of OIC held in Cameroon. Digestion of protein starts in stomach. What is the Strait of Hormuz in the southern side? It's Mozambique Peninsula. Currency of Egypt is pound. Tarawa is the capital city of Kiribati. Iran-Iraq border, also known as 31st parallel. First European country who banned ChatGPT is Italy. Nobel Prize in Literature 2025, Hungarian Laszlo. First country who recognized the Taliban government, Russia. Abasement synonym, humiliation. Indo-Pak War 1971 continued for how many days? 13. Indian Foreign Minister Jaishankar visited Pakistan on 15 October 2024, first time after how many years? Since as External Minister to Pakistan? 9 years. Hazrat Umar accepted Islam after listening recitation of which surah? Surah Taha. When punishment of zina revealed in Islam? 6th Hijri. Marwan was the son of Hakam. Which country became first to land satellite on South Pole? India. The part of speech that connects words or group of words is called conjunction. Then doctor is to dexterous, then acrobat is to agile. Location of highest ATM is Khanjra Pass in Pakistan. It is the highest located ATM. Abundant gas on earth is nitrogen. The land border between Cambodia, Thailand, Laos meets at place called Emerald Triangle. ये वो जगह है जहाँ ये सब मिलते हैं. Bronze is made up of copper and tin. इन दोनों से मिलके बना है. Metals that don't oxidize are called noble metals. What is water potential of pure water? 0. First Chief Justice of Pakistan of Federal Constitutional Court, Aminuddin Sahab. Radio signals are in which layer? Ionosphere. ये atmosphere की layer है. Brass decolorized due to the presence of hydrogen sulfide. ये chemical है. Top Iranian nuclear scientist killed in 2020 वो मोहसिन फखरीज़ादा थे जो 27 नवंबर 2020 को शहीद हुए. हज़रत अली martyred in which हिजरी? 40 हिजरी, 40 हिजरी में. Which Pakistani personality participate in coronation of King Charles III? शहबाज शरीफ, इन्होंने participate किया था. Which hormone causes labor pain while delivery? Oxytocin. Abyssinia is the old name of Ethiopia. When did SALT II agreement signed? 1979. Native homeland of Hazrat Ibrahim, Ur. First European country to ban ChatGPT, Italy. It's a repeated MCQs. How much percent of water on earth? 71% is water. Baghdad was built by Al-Mansur ने बनाया था. A dime a dozen means cheap. यानी बहुत सस्ता. That's it for today. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.